Hey guys, we're back. So last time you saw me sit here and unbox a display, which I bought two of. So how am I gonna hook it up? It only has the DVI, HDMI. I'm really bad at talking today. So this is a standard DVI to HDMI or HDMI to DVI, or wherever you want to put it. So into the display goes HDVI, and out comes DVI, HDMI. What am I saying today? Why can't I talk? Blah 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 blah. So how are we gonna do this? Because I have a Mac Mini. I was almost saying MacBook Air, which is not mine, it's hers. So they have something awesome on the Mac line, which I just hope comes to PC soon because it's awesome, and that's Thunderbolt. So you have this cable which goes from Thunderbolt to DVI.
HDMI.
Why can't I talk today? So this goes from Thunderbolt to HDMI, and from here you just plug it in like that, and that's beautiful. So you have this, I think it's roughly 2 meters. This is mini DisplayPort, which is the same thing as Thunderbolt, male to HDMI, male cable, 2 meters. And this was roughly $15. And this little jack shitty homophobic man was, I think this was $4 or $9, somewhere around there. Damn expensive. Anyways, 2 of those cables and 1 of those guys, because we have a lot of those. So yeah, that's a simple, easy, fast one for today. Take it easy, guys.